In this video I will show you how to make mobile screen mockup in Photoshop. Go to Rectangular tool. Draw the shape. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Down the opacity. Press Ctrl-T and right-click, choose Distort. Adjust the shape. Opacity 100. Hide this layer. Select this layer. Go to Quick Selection tool. Select this area. Shift press, add a layer mask. Double-click on this layer. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select this image. Click on Place. Adjust the image. Press Ctrl+S, save. Change the blending option, multiply. Down the opacity. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.